is kind of gonna be like my art studio, office, guest house, Airbnb, Florida van life headquarters. Only the real ones can stay in Florida van life. But yeah, it's just kind of work in progress. I come out here whenever I'm feeling like I need to process things. It's a very slow build, and I'm doing it very much on a budget. Like, it's just using whatever is basically in my yard already. Whatever I found on the side of the road. I'm doing this for like as cheap as possible. I originally was thinking this was going to be the bedroom back here, and I love skylights when you sleep under the stars. Right now it's just like I like to put skylights in my vans because it's a really unique way to be able to like feel like you're in nature. So I just go on top of the roof, and I use the Sawzall, and I just cut right through the metal and the fiberglass and the wood and everything, and stomp through that thing and put a little bit of plexiglass up, and then there we go. Now we have the skylight. And then simple wood frame around. As you can tell, I do nothing perfect. It's half done. Yesterday I was sitting out here and the sun was hitting down here in a really cool way. And I was like, man, maybe if I disco tile around the frame, then the sun will hit it in cool ways and make like shiny bits everywhere. I like a lot of light play. That's why I put the tint on all the windows, because it's just like when the sun hits through, it makes interesting light all throughout this RV, depending on the day and how strong the sun is in a cloud coverage. So that's why I did the disco tile around there. That's obviously not done either. Everything's about half done, because I basically just will work on whatever I'm feeling inspired on in the moment. Was here. I added this little disco thing as well because similar thing. I like the light play. So the light hits here, bounces everywhere. I love that. And right now, I just cut through a hole here and installed these outlets right here, and then I wired them up to different things like that. And now I want to cover this wire. So what I'm gonna do is just put it behind the mat here. So I'm just gonna grab my drill and fix that. So I'm gonna put those lights around the whole edge of this. So actually, that could be a good thing for me to do right now. When I was a kid, I was always building things with like Legos and building whole worlds with different wooden things, and then when I got older, I was super into that computer game Sims. Like, obsessed. I would just use it to just make houses and, like, crazy structures of, like, yeah, like, different, like, digging the land so deep and then building, like, basements and weird things. It was so fun. Oh, okay. I have, like, globes and maps everywhere, because I have been able to travel all around the world, and that's where I've grown the most, is every time I put myself in an uncomfortable situation, I learn so much, and get to learn so much from different people and cultures. I remember always loving globes and maps, even when I was a young girl. I would spin these things around, just have my finger, see, where am I going to go? Oh my gosh, wait, I'm going to go to Miami. But I would do this all the time when I was a kid, and just, like, remember, oh, okay, I'm going to Saudi Arabia now. But the cool thing is, as an adult, then I actually did it all. Like, I feel like I have memories in so many of these spots all around the world. So that's why I put globes, maps, very, like, things inspired from different cultures. I have them everywhere in all my spaces. All my rental properties, all my Airbnbs, all my offices and workshops. It's so fun. But we got it in tonight instead. How you feel? Oh, these came in this RV when it was just like completely trashed and moldy and rusty and gross. I found these on the floor when there was holes in these floors. I spray painted them gold. Now I'm gonna hang them up. That's okay. bye.